Hello everyone, this is Kritika and you are watching News Media 47. In this video, we will talk about top 10 most beautiful animals in the world.
Macaws are exotic birds inhabiting the rainforest of South America. They belong to a family of birds called Psittacidae. Their beauty is due to the combination of bright colors in their plumage. Bright yellow, crimson red, green grass, blue king and orange are the main colors. Many people have macaws as pets. Macaws are medium-sized birds but have large wings that attracts a lot of attention when they are spread. They are very social birds that love to walk in groups, but they are most beautiful in the air. It is fascinating to see a group of macaws flying. It looks like a drawing of a rainbow in the sky. Tiger is one of the most majestic creatures in the world, recognized as a symbol of grandeur and strength. Regal in appearance, anyone in the presence of this creature will be left open-mouthed. It's not surprising that the tiger was the animal chosen to be the main character in many Greek, Persian and Chinese mythology. The mystery and mystic in their looks mesmerize anybody looking at them. Due to their genetic mutation, some Bengal tigers are born white, since rarity often makes an animal even more beautiful. The tale about the ugly duckling that become a beautiful swan is metaphorical. It is based on the fact that swan chicks, known as cygnets, are born with darker down feathers than the bright white adult counterparts. However, we think even swan chicks are beautiful. As they grow and develop, swans become a totem of beauty and grace. Elegance and beauty are the connotation that come to mind to most people when we observe a swan. They strike us with their beauty and they are clearly worthy of being among the most beautiful animals in the world. Peacock. The peacock's white plumage is white as snow and looking like a painting, making it very unique. The bird is a real supermodel, always posing, strutting their stuff and showing their beauty to all who pass before them. The peacock is the name for a male peafowl, an animal with one of the most stark examples of sexual dimorphism we have seen. They are not only one of the prettiest animals, but their unique approach to mating rituals make them one of the most fascinating. As with the white tiger, the albino peacock's appearance is thanks to genetics. Dolphins. A dolphin's beauty goes beyond its bright physical appearance. Humans have always been fans of dolphins and enjoyed their presence for years. Dolphins symbolize joy, freedom, and spontaneity in such a controlled world. When you see a dolphin, or even better, a group of dolphins swimming and surfing the waves, your mood improves instantly. Dolphins look like they're always smiling. They are mood-boosting creatures, and it's all down to their delightful appearance. Mandarin fish. Among the many beautiful fish which live in the ocean, the mandarin fish stands out for its particular colorful majesty. Its electric appearance makes it seem to contain an eternal light that makes it glow. This fish is one of the most searched for creatures by underground photographers. Despite creating its own light, the mandarin fish is very shy and prefers to appear at night when they go out to mate. They are called mandarin because they resemble legendary Chinese dragons. When you see them swimming, they are surely one of the most elegant animals in the world. Chameleons are perhaps the world's most beautiful reptiles. Imagine being able to change color depending on your surroundings. They change color to make themselves indistinguishable or to show off to potential mates. Chameleons can change color because they have pigment cells in their skin called chromatophores that allow them to blend in with the environment, changing tone every time they want to hide from a predator or dress up for courtship rituals. Friesian horses are elegant and magnificent animals, entirely one color. These impressive animals transport you to mythical and indomitable territories. Originating from Netherlands, the Friesian is one of the oldest domestic horse breeds in the world. Their ancestors was the tarpan horse, which was wiped out in the 20th century by excessive human hunting. It is known as the wildest horse in history. While some of the rarest animals in the world have made our list, more common animals may be no less beautiful. The Siberian Husky takes the award for canine beauty. They're elegant, white and grey-furred animal with piercing blue eyes, so they never fail to catch our attention. Their image evokes protection, strength and magnetism. Glass-winged butterfly, or scientifically known as Creta otto, is one of the strangest and peculiar butterflies in the world. It is completely transparent except for a brown edge with a white stripe. This makes them appear to change color depending on which setting they are in. They almost camouflage against their surroundings. This exceptional ability makes them blend in with the vegetation and distract predators. So this is all about the video. I hope you liked the video. For more such videos, keep watching our channel and don't forget to subscribe.